Welcome to Car AutoZone. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic sports cars ever built, the Mazda RX-8. A car that carries the legendary rotary engine, a design that still turns heads, and a driving experience that makes enthusiasts smile every time they get behind the wheel. Whether you're a die-hard rotary fan or just learning about this unique sports car, this video will take you deep into the world of the RX-8. The Mazda RX-8 made its debut in the early 2000s, continuing the legacy of the RX-7 but taking a bold new direction. It wasn't just another sports car. It was a statement from Mazda that they were still committed to the rotary engine, a technology that set them apart from every other automaker. Unlike traditional piston engines, the RX-8's Wankel rotary engine was compact, lightweight, and capable of incredibly high revs, making it a dream for drivers who love to push their cars to the limit. One of the first things you notice about the RX-8 is its design. It's sleek, aggressive, and uniquely Mazda. The flowing body lines, the wide fenders, and the low stance give it a true sports car presence. But what really makes the RX-8 stand out is its suicide doors. That's right, the rear hinged half. Doors make getting into the back seats easier while keeping the car's coupe styling intact. It's a rare feature in a sports car, making the RX-8 both stylish and practical. Under the hood, the RX-8 is powered by Mazda's legendary 1.3-liter Renesis rotary engine. This engine might be small in size, but it packs a serious punch, producing up to 238 horsepower in its higher trims. It revs all the way to 9,000 RPM, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that few other cars can match. The sound of a rotary engine at high revs is unlike anything else, a high-pitched, almost turbine-like whine that signals pure performance. But the RX-8 isn't just about speed, it's about handling. Mazda engineered this car to be perfectly balanced, with a 50-50 weight distribution that makes it a joy to drive on winding roads and tight corners. The lightweight chassis, responsive steering, and well-tuned suspension work together to create a car that feels like an extension of the driver. Whether you're on a mountain pass or a track, the RX-8 delivers precision and excitement with every turn. Inside, the RX-8 is designed with the driver in mind. The cockpit is sporty and focused, with deep bucket seats that hold you in place during aggressive driving. The instrument cluster features a large central tachometer, reminding you that this car is all about high revving performance. The center console is simple yet functional, with a short throw shifter for the manual transmission that provides crisp and satisfying gear changes. Mazda also offered an automatic version with paddle shifters, but true enthusiasts know that the manual is the way to go for the full RX-8 experience. Despite being a performance car, the RX-8 isn't as stripped down as you might expect. It comes with modern features like a premium sound system, available leather seats, and even a navigation system in some models. The rear seats, thanks to the unique door design, are actually usable for adults, making the RX-8 one of the few sports cars that can comfortably seat 4 people. Of course, no discussion of the RX-8 would be complete without talking about the rotary engine's quirks. While it's a masterpiece of engineering, it does come with some unique maintenance requirements. Unlike traditional engines, the rotary engine burns a small amount of oil as part of its operation, meaning owners need to check and top off the oil regularly. It also requires high-quality fuel and proper warm-up and cool-down procedures to ensure longevity. Another well-known characteristic of the RX-8 is its fuel consumption. Despite its small size, the rotary engine isn't the most fuel-efficient, especially when driven aggressively. But for those who love the RX-8, the joy of driving it far outweighs any concerns about gas mileage. It's a car that rewards those who take the time to understand and maintain it properly. One of the most exciting aspects of the RX-8 is its potential for modifications. The aftermarket scene for this car is massive, with countless options for performance upgrades, suspension tuning, and aesthetic enhancements. Enthusiasts have taken RX-8s to the next level by adding turbochargers, custom exhaust systems, and even engine swaps for those looking for extreme performance. Whether you want to keep it stock or turn it into a track monster, the RX-8 offers endless possibilities. Over the years, the RX-8 has built a dedicated fan base. It may not have the same cult following as the RX-7, but it has carved out its own legacy as a unique and thrilling sports car. Its affordability in the used car market has also made it a popular choice for enthusiasts looking for a fun and engaging driving experience without breaking the bank. The RX-8 was produced until 2012, marking the end of